Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Nikki here looking super rough. I've just been breaking out a little bit. It's that time of the month. I've got a couple of pimples, 3 pimples, and they're making me feel really down. I just need to give myself a little bit of a pick me up and I want to look after my skin. So this is going to be a little bit of a different video, but it's going to be more of a relaxing one. Grab yourselves a cup of tea. I'm addicted to tea. I really like milky tea and I'm just addicted, like 3 cups a day, and that's not like me at all. But I think let's just have a chilled one and let's just pamper the skin today. So I'm going to start off just by getting rid of all of this hair because I really want to focus on my skin. How cute is this headband? I got this really cute fluffy headband from Amazon and it was like £5. It's just super cute and really loungy, but it's just great for getting your hair out of the way. So I'm just going to quickly pop this baby on. Now the first thing that I want to do is cleanse the skin. I had makeup on earlier in the day, but even if you don't have makeup, just cleanse the skin to get rid of any dirt and any residue on it. It's just to clean the skin. I'm going to be using the bioderma solution because I love bioderma. I feel like, honestly, since I've been using bioderma, my skin has cleared up. It's just changed and I couldn't live without it now. I don't want to go to a different cleansing oil or anything like that. I really like this. So I'm just going to pop this on some cotton pads and cleanse all of my face and take this down to my neck and chest area as well. Now I've cleansed the skin, I want to exfoliate it. You can do this 2 ways. Sometimes I like to use my Pixi Glow Tonic, which is more of a chemical exfoliant, or you can go physical, and I like to use the St. Ives. I'm going to use the St. Ives today. I actually use this on a daily basis. I don't know if that's good for your skin, but it just feels super clean and I like using the apricot scrub. Personally, I like a scrub that has beads in that are quite harsh. I like something to really feel like it's working. I don't like the small beads because I feel like they're not doing anything for me, but I like this one because it is a little bit harsh and it does deeply exfoliate the skin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my St. Ives and I'm going to scrub this all over the skin, and then I'm just going to go ahead and wash that off. Now guys, I'm really excited for the next part because I'm actually going to be steaming my face at home. I feel like they use this a lot in spas, and when you're trying to take care of your skin, a lot of people sit in saunas. So what I did is I bought my own face steamer off Amazon and I'm really excited to use it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to switch this baby on. I've already filled it up with water in the compartment and I'm just going to let my face steam for a couple of minutes just to open up all of my pores and get rid of any kind of dirt in my pores as well. Okay, so the steamer is doing its thing. It's beautiful. It's really, really nice. I don't know if I'm holding it too close. I'm not an expert, guys, but it will run out of water shortly. Do you know what I was thinking? This is the dumb stuff that goes through my head. I was thinking this could be a good smoke machine, couldn't it? In a Halloween video. That's what I'm thinking. But it's really opening up my pores. It just feels really nice. I think you need to sit here with your mouth closed, your eyes closed. So I'm going to do that and then come back to you guys. Okay, now that I've steamed, I thoroughly enjoyed that. My skin feels so, I don't know, just rejuvenated. Is that even a thing? It just feels really nice. It's time to mask because from the knowledge that I have or gained or what I know is once you steam, you open up the pores and then you want to add masks on top or serums and stuff like that, because you really want your skin to be able to absorb that. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go in, well, these are the cheap masks you can get like in Superdrug and stuff, but I really like them. You don't necessarily have to go with this one. You can go with any mask you want. This one is the Dragon Fruit Sauna Skin Sizzling Cleanse. And I'm going to pop this mask on. It's like a self-heating one. And I just really like it. So I'm going to pop this on and let it sit for 15 minutes. Now that my mask is on, I'm going to let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. This one's really nice because it's self-heating and you can really feel it, but it's not burning or anything like that. It just warms the skin. It smells really nice as well. So I'm just going to relax for 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so it's been about 10-15 minutes. This mask doesn't dry, so we're just going to wash it off. I'm going to go ahead and wash it all off and then give my face a pat with a towel. Okay, now my skin is thoroughly squeaky clean. I'm going to start all my skincare, so my moisturizers, my serums, eye creams, all that jazz. I'm going to go in first with the Givenchy. I can't pronounce this for my life. It's called the Pearl Blossom Lotion. I believe it's like a pre-lotion. So it's like something that you put on your skin for all my skincare to really absorb into my skin. I don't use it that often, but I'm feeling a bit bougie and I want to pop it on today. So we're just going to pop this all over the skin with a cotton pad and run it over. Now you guys have to forgive me because I am not really knowledgeable when it comes to skincare. I just like to try different things out, and I'm forever trying things out. So the next thing I'm going to use is a Revolution. This is a 2% hyaluronic acid plumping and hydrating solution. So I'm going to be using this as my serum today. I'm going to take a couple of drops of this and then massage this into the skin. For moisturizer, because I want to give my skin a little bit of extra oomph, I'm actually going to be using my Givenchy. I love this moisturizer. This one is part of their Le Swan Noir cream range, and I just can't explain to you how much I like it. I like how it feels on the skin. It is hella expensive, like so expensive. But if you want to invest in skincare, and I would invest in this because it's just something that really works for my skin, and I can feel the changes and the improvements that it makes, then I'll go ahead and buy it. But of course, just use any moisturizer that you've got. So I'm going to take a little bit of this cream and pop it on the skin. We're going to move on to eye cream. The eye cream that I'm going to use, this one is from Bobbi Brown. This is the Extra Eye Repair Cream. I'm going to take a little bit of this. This one's quite heavy, but because it's nighttime right now and I need some hydration underneath my eyes because they feel so tight, I'm going to pop this on very gently underneath my eyes. Okay guys, and that is it for my facial spa at home video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I really just wanted to sit down and pamper my skin because I don't take good enough care of it. I need to learn more about skincare. Leave me all your skincare tips and tricks down below. And if you want me to try out anything, then let me know down below as well. I'm not very well educated in skincare, but I do want to start learning. And I always feel like when I use good skincare, my skin just feels so good the next day. So that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, follow me on Instagram as well for daily uploads, and I love you guys so very much. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.